In today's video, I'll show you the latest feature in Google Chrome, the Google Lens feature for desktop and laptop users. With this feature, you can select any part of a website you've visited and perform a search using that image or text. You can see how it works on the screen. Watch the video until the end to learn how to use this feature. First, update your Google Chrome. As you can see, I've started the update process, and now I just need to relaunch Google Chrome. Next, on the updated Google Chrome, search for and open a website. I'll access the Pexels website for this demonstration. To search for text or an image on the site you've opened, right-click on any blank area of the web page. Here, you'll notice a new option, Search with Google Lens. Click on it. When you use this feature for the first time, a small pop-up window will appear, informing you about the feature. Click OK. Now, you'll notice some small changes on the screen. Select the part of the page you want to search. For my first demonstration, I'll select this text. You'll see that a section on the right side of the screen opens with the search results. For the search term free stock photo, we've received relevant results. There are several websites with images, and even exact matches for the searched text. Now I'll show you another way to use this feature. I'll find an image on the Pexels website and test the Google Lens feature to search for an object in the image. For example, let's use this picture with balloons. Right-click anywhere on the image and select Search with Google Lens. And here are the results, very impressive. When you select something on the web page, you can adjust the focus on the selected area to further refine your search. And that's it. For more tutorials like this, subscribe to our channel.